Good morning, students. Last day we have completed arithmetic progression chapter 5, and today we are going to start the similar triangle chapter 6. Before starting the chapter 6, you keep the following point in your mind. Chapter 6 is very important chapter for your board examination, because from chapter 6 one objective type question of 1 marks, two short type question of 3 marks, and one long type question of 6 marks used to come in your examination. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6, total 13 marks questions are coming in the board examination. So definitely these chapters are very important. And this is the first we are going to start the geometrical chapter. If right from the beginning you pay the attention in the geometry and you pay regular habit to watching the video and whatever I am giving the homeworks, daily you must practice your homeworks and solve regularly, then you will not face any types of the problem. But if you keep pending your homeworks, then after that you cannot make up. It will be very much difficult for you, especially for the geometry chapter. Geometry is that types of the chapters of the mathematics or types of mathematics. The students, if you like the geometry, then geometry will also like you. And if you neglect the geometry, then geometry will also neglect you. So from the beginning only you pay attention in the geometry. This is my request and order. Now let us tell what is similar triangle. If two triangle, if the corresponding angles are equal, then these two triangles are said to be similar. Corresponding angles means, suppose ABC and DEF are two triangles. Vertex A is tally to the vertex D, vertex E is tally to the vertex B, and vertex C is tally to the vertex F. I will explain you according to the figure also. Before that, let me explain something. If angle A will be same as angle D, angle B will be same as angle E, and angle C will be same as angle F, then these two triangles will be similar. That means if the corresponding angles are equal, then these two triangles will be similar. Similar triangle is also known as equiangular triangle. And if the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Let me explain with the figure, then it will be better for you for understanding. ABC and DEF are two triangles, suppose. Now angle A will be similar to angle A or same as angle D, and angle B will be equal to angle E, and angle C will be equal to angle F. Then these two triangles ABC and DEF are said to be similar. As I have told, similar triangle is also known as equiangular triangle. Since the corresponding angles are same, so they are said to be equiangular triangle. How this can be represented? You just see triangle ABC, this is the side of similar to triangle DEF. And if the two triangles will be similar, then their corresponding sides will be proportional. Proportional means AB and DE, ratio of AB and DE, AB by DE will be equal to BC by EF, BC by EF, and also equal to AC by DF. So their corresponding side, this by this is equal to this by this is equal to this by this. Corresponding sides are proportional. So similar triangle mainly are two types of the triangle. As you have read the congruency, there are three rules of the congruency: SSS rules of congruency, ASA rules of congruency, SAS rules of congruency. Similar triangle is also have the mainly two rule. One is SSS similarity and another is AAA similarity. Except that there is one more similarity, that is SAS similarity. Next day I will explain you the rules of similarity and I will explain you more in details for the similar triangle, because I have told these chapters are very important. So today your homework, read the introductions of similar triangle chapter 6. Thank you.